Hello students, welcome to Abhyas IT Prep. In this video, we will discuss about January 23 evening shift paper of mathematics analysis. Okay, let's get started. Okay, firstly, we have on the continuity and differential ability, which is continuous at point, mainly discussing about if we just they given already this is at continuous at x equal to 0. Okay, with this we can easily find this one. Okay, by just see here there it is in this condition we don't have for x equal to 0, x not equal to 0, this will be satisfied, and for x equal to 0 we will have b. Okay, now we just have to find this a value and the b value. Okay, see here for the continuity we're just using the LHL and RHL, which is at the from 0 minus and 0 plus. Okay, and which is f of 0 as well. Okay, we need to find the finite limit as well. Okay, for that reason we have like f of 0. Now for the LHL we just find this one. Okay, like just as h tends to 0, just putting that. Okay, as h tends to 0 we are just finding this one. Okay, in place of this, since we have like modulus here, for that reason we are taking like that one. Okay, now similarly for the right hand, okay, we just found this one. Now we equate to this one f of 0 as well. Okay, we just see here we just have to both equate those things in order to find the we will get like minus a plus 2 equal to, which is this one, and b. Okay, f of what we have, f of 0 is b, and this one like x tends to 0 plus, and this one x tends to 0 minus. Okay, which is this one. Now we will get for one of those we will have we have this situation as two situation, which is either you have two equations. From that we can easily find the a value and the b value itself. Okay, that's how we can easily find the a equal to 2, b equal to 0, which is a will be a plus b will be 2 answer. Okay, now next question we have we have the given one interval and the cot theta, which is the region. By this we can easily find that what is the region these belong, and then the value of sine 15 theta by 2, which is this one. Okay, now we need to just simplify this. For the simplification we have to find, okay, first we need to find we have cos 8 theta sine theta. With this one we can easily find the which region it belongs. Okay, see here from this interval and from this we have to find. Okay, from this we can find that first expression. Okay, and the second expression. Okay, and in the first expression we can write it as just multiply with this one and this one. Okay, sine 8 theta. Okay, just by using this one. Okay, so sine theta by cos theta by sine theta. Okay, by that by the ratio what we have, just using the which coordinate it belongs, we can easily solve the we can easily find the cos and sine. Okay, now from this simplification we can have here we have this kind of situation. Okay, just we have some cancellations as proceeded. Okay, that's how we got the cos theta by 2 sine theta by 2, which can be written as under root of 1 minus sine theta. Okay, and also we have theta by 2 is in between 5 by 4 and pi by 2. Okay, this is the situation, but we just multiply divided with 2 here. Okay, since in order to make we have compound some submultiple angle. Okay, now next given cot theta is this one. Okay, just using that we can find the sine theta. Just substitute that sine theta in the under root of 1 minus sine theta in order to find this one. Okay, that's how we got the value, which is 1 minus root t. Okay, just here we just simply we need to simplify this one in order to find that one. Okay, I hope you understood. This is just we need to find this. Okay, which is already which makes that which have this one. Okay, after that only we have to substitute those values, we need to extract this one. Okay, now which is we have root 2 minus 1 is the option, is the correct answer. Okay, now next question we have vector algebra, cross product and projection. Okay, by using the cross product and projection, if you observe that here they given a and b and c. Okay, now they given one vector v, which is a cross b bar. Okay, and just c bar and just dot product gives us 11. Okay, by using that c vector and the v, this first you need to do the cross product of these two. Okay, after that only we can do the dot product of this one in order to find the lambda value. Okay, now see here just this is the information we have. Now just do the cross product of this one will leads to this one, and next v dot c already have. Okay, just do the dot product. We will find the lambda is equal to 1. Okay, now we got the lambda value. Now what is the now we need to find the length of the projection of the B bar on C bar. Okay, by using the projection formula, we can solve this one, which is length of the projection B dot C. Okay, which is nothing but like which is equal to B bar C bar by C bar. Okay, I hope you understood. Like that is not the thing, I hope. Okay, which is this one. Okay, I hope you understood. That's how we can easily find this one. Okay, that using the formula, we just substitute the vectors in this area, which is, I mean, in this place, we can easily find the answer as P is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, just substitute the P value in the 9P square, we'll get the answer as 12. Okay, which is 4 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understood. This, which is they given all the projection is P. Okay, in place of P only, like just we got the P here, just substitute the 9P square. Okay. Now we got the straight lines on the properties of rhombus using, if you observe that they given A and C values in points B, two diagonally opposite vertices, okay, of a rhombus, okay, whose sides AD and BC are parallel to the line. Okay, this line, okay, which they given, I will just show here. They given like A, okay, A point and the B point, C point and the B two diagonal opposites. Okay, they are given like two diagonal opposites vertices of a rhombus whose sides AD and BC. Okay, which is A and C are two diagonal opposite vertices. Okay, and B and D are these whose sides AD, okay, and BC are the vertices, I mean parallel to line, which is whose sides AD and BC are the parallel to the line. Okay, BC are the parallel to the line. This is one which is like 7x minus y is equal to 14. Okay, that's what they given. Now from this we have this AD, which is AD and BC are the parallel to the line. 7x minus y is equal to 14. Y, with this we have like, we need to find B and D points. Okay, already we have like C points. By that we have to use, by using that line which is B or this one. Okay, and midpoints of AC. Okay, just find the midpoints of whatever we have. Okay, after doing that, in the diagonal we have like this point. Okay, if we find this one, we will get the like midpoints. Okay, by using these midpoints alpha, we can easily find the alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Okay, just this one. Okay, we already found the midpoints, which is makes equal to this from this point. Okay, B and D midpoints, and by using this one, okay, which equal to like this one, minus 1 comma 2. Okay, just alpha plus gamma, okay, which is equal to minus 1. Okay, beta plus delta, okay, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, that's how we can easily find this. After that, just substitute those values in place of this one. Okay, I hope you understood. We just add those one. Okay, after adding those things, we got the 6 is the answer. Okay, now we have for relation and functions, onto functions. Okay, we need to find the number of onto functions from A to B. Okay, see here they consider two sets, which is this one, okay, and B as this one. Okay, now we have which is x minus 3 is just taking the first set. Okay, just taking that, since we have like modulus and also modulus itself. Okay, that means that we have like four types, I think four times of x. Okay, maybe like some further simplifications. We have this one, and after that we have like another interval we have in this one. Since see here we have like odd situation here. Okay, now here itself we have another one. I think this is the last one, which gives us 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7, and here itself this one in between minus 1 and 1. Okay, see here just we have like modulus situation here. After that we just take in the modulus. Okay, after that again we have like two more, since modulus is there, so we just take in that. Okay, similarly for the B as well. Okay, here we have like log x, this modulus must be greater than or equal to, greater than 0. Okay, which is this one, greater than in order to, like, if log 1 is equal, it is 1, if it is equal to 1, that must be like 0. Okay, for that reason we can take it as greater than 1 itself. Okay, now here B equal to like x equal to 4 and x minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, see here, if x is equal to 1, it will be undefined. Okay, I hope you understood. Therefore x equal to 3 or 1 will be rejected. X equal to 3 but 1 will be rejected. Okay, because of that. okay, and also plus b can be have only 3 and 4. Okay, that's how we have 3 and 4. Okay, therefore number of onto functions from a to b by using the formula, which is total we have like 2 sets. Okay, like in this set we have like 2 power 6 ways, minus we are just neglecting that what 3 comma 4. Okay, here we are taking minus like 1, we are taking 1 outside. Okay, and also 2. Okay, I hope you understood. For that reason we are removing the 2 here. We got the 62 is the answer. Okay, now from the next question we have like matrices. See here they get they given 4 options. It means like we can say it is a lengthy process in order to check all these options. Okay, this see we have to check whether it is a unique solution. We know for unique solution it has to be determinant has to be not equal to 0. Okay, but for infinitesimal solutions determinant can be 0, but rank has to be like it has to be like a rank must be less than or equal to 2, less than or equal to 2. Okay, I hope you understood. And for that reason just use the like determinant formula by of determinant of 1. Just using that we will have like a equal to 8. Okay, now we got the a equal to 8. Okay, in these 3 options we got the a equal to 3 8. Okay, now similarly we use this one Cramer's rule. By using the Cramer's rule you can solve this one. Okay, firstly we will have like 6 36 and b. Okay, in order to find the b we need to find this one. Okay, see here just taking out of this one we just replace it with this one. Okay, after that we just equal to 0 determinant. Okay, after we got this one. Okay, I hope you understood. We can easily, since we got the 8 value, just substituting that one we can easily find. Okay, out of this we have, after doing all these things we got the 14. B equal to 14 is the answer. Okay, which means that we have infinitely many solutions for a equal to 8 and b equal to 14. Okay, okay, I hope you understood, which makes d is equal to d1 is equal to d2 is equal to d3 is equal to 0. Okay, which has infinitely many solutions. Therefore only option 2 is the right answer. Now we have on the logarithms, which is see here x plus 3. Okay, it has to be like some conditions, and also here as well. Okay, see here just convert that into like using quadratic expression, quadratic one, you can simplify it. And also here as well we have x plus 3 whole square. Now see here we can have like x plus 3 whole square and 6x plus 10. Okay, here we can take that to this side, we make it as 4. Okay, now we have this one which is 1 plus log x plus 3 6x plus 10. Okay, this means that this will be equal to 1. It's like log a plus log b. Okay, that's how we can easily find. Now here we got this 1 here. Okay, now the log x plus 3 into 6x plus 10. Okay, which is equal to like 5 minus 4 log 6x plus 10 into 6x plus 3. Now we need to move further. We have, okay, now let this is equal to a. Okay, after that making it equal to a, that means that here this will be all become a, and also this one will be also become like a 4 by a, since we have like this 6x plus 10 as x plus 3. Okay, this will be like can be reverse that one. Okay, that's how we got the a plus 4 by a, which is equal to 4, or a equal to 2. Okay, this can be like, it means that its total expression will be equal to 4. That means that a equal to 2 we have. Okay, we got the a as 2, which means that this total expression we got the 2 is the answer. Okay, now this will be have equal to 2. Now this what we have, if we have like equal to 2 by using the general expression for the logarithms, we can easily write it like general term. Okay, 6x plus 10 is equal to x plus 3 whole square. Now just convert, further simplifications leads to what, quadratic equation, which means that we have 2 roots for this one, which is like x equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore we got the sum of roots. See here 0 is the answer. Okay, with the sum of all real solutions. No, if we observe that we got the 0. Okay, here itself just we have some difficulty here itself is that logarithms. You need to know about the logarithms. Okay, very well. Okay, then only you can solve this one. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we have the base of the circles, which is family of curves, which is condition they already given that if the points of the intersection of the ellipse, this one and this one, lie on the circle, okay, radius r with the center AB, then what is the value of this one? Okay, we need to find from the ellipse AB and from the circle R. Okay, See here, we have the family of, so by using the family of circle S1 and plus lambda S2, we can easily solve that one. See here, we have like just doing substituting those equations in this. We will have like this one, which is for a circle, coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square. Okay, we know with for circle we have coefficient of x square always equal to coefficient of y square. Just using that we can easily find the lambda value. Okay, we got the lambda value from this. Okay, now next thing you need to find the, by using the equation of circle, we'll have x square plus y square minus 16x minus 6y plus 27 by 2. Okay, which is nothing but just substituting those values, and also lambda value itself which is by substituting the lambda value we get the equation of circle of this one. Okay, now sorry for that. Now just substituting those values whatever that we have. Okay, I hope you understood in the equation of circle. Okay, next thing, from this one we have the 8 by 3 and 3, which is the center, and the radius is this one, root 47 by 18, which is equal to r. Okay, we know how we can find minus g of minus f, and the radius will be is under root of g square minus f square. Okay, that's the formula we know, c square minus g square minus f square. Okay, I hope you understood. Now that's how we got the r, and that's how we got the, just substituting those values we will get the answer as 55. Okay, this, how this will come, this will come from the this one, coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square. Okay, I hope you understood. That's how we got the answer, which is, since it is set point of intersection, no, that's by using that we already solved it. Okay, now next question we have on the PQBA quadratic hyperbola, which is based on the eccentricity we need to find by using eccentricity and chord geometry. Okay, here we have B is unknown. Okay, now perpendicular to the x-axis such that OPQ is an equilateral triangle. Okay, they are saying OPQ as an equilateral triangle, OB in the center of the hyperbola. Okay, if the eccentricity of the hyperbola is root 3, then the what is the area of the triangle OPQ? Okay, we need to find the area of the triangle OPQ. Okay, see here, they given the PQ is the chord of the hyperbola. This is PQ is the chord of the hyperbola. Like the, for example, we have like this situation. Okay, where we have this situation, and PQ be the like chord here, like this situation. Okay, PQ be the chord of like this situation they given, and for the this parabola, which is for a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to unknown, and also saying that perpendicular to the x-axis, so that OPQ is an equilateral triangle. Now see here, this is the situation we have PQ as a chord, and the by using the parametric we can write is 2 secant theta comma 2 root 2 tan theta. Now, and also we have this making an angle. Okay, see here, this from this here we have like making an angle by using this one we can easily find. Okay, OB the center. Now from this we can have like PM and OM is equal to tan 30 degrees. Okay, from whatever we just saw in the diagram. Okay, the OP as PM. Okay, this one. Okay, from this we can easily see that with this slope, this will be like tan theta. Okay, which is 30 degrees, which will be like written as 2 root 2 tan theta by 2 secant theta from the point P. Okay, from the point P. Okay, which is equal to sin theta is equal to 1 by root 6. Okay, that's how we got the sin 1 by root 6. Now another one, since we need to just substitute off into base into height, which is OM is what we have, and MP. Okay, we got the sin theta as 1 by root 6. With this one we can easily find height and base. Okay, now this from this we can have the 2 secant theta and 2 root tan theta. Okay, now we just substitute the sin theta in this place. We will have like we can just substitute those values in order to just make it like secant theta we have. So therefore 1 by cos, and here we have tan theta, that can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Just substituting since we have already sin theta, we can easily find the cos theta as well. Okay, just substituting those values we will have like 8 root 3 divided by 5. Okay, which makes 2 is the answer. Okay, next question in the vector algebra we have, which is using the vector analysis and linear dependence. Okay, if you see here, they given already A cross B as 2A cross C, and also which is this one, they given values. Okay, and angle between B and C is 60 degrees. Okay, then what is the value of dot product of this one? Okay, now see here, just do that like what we have, just take it this side. Okay, we will have this type of situation. Now after that, just taking the distributive. Okay, take the distributive of this one. We will have like a cross b, a cross of b bar minus 2c bar is equal to 0. Okay, from this we can have the b minus 2c as is equal to lambda a bar. Okay, we're just making like some lambda here. Okay, now making it is as equation 1. Okay, now we have the c here. If you just see, we have like lambda a. Okay, lambda a bar is equation 1. Now this one is a lambda a mod of lambda a square, just taking the modulus on both sides, making gives as like a magnitude of those things. Okay, easy to find, which is b square plus 4c square minus 4bc square. Like we're taking like a plus b whole square, like a minus b whole square formula type. Just then after that we just substitute those values like whatever we have here. Okay, the substitute those values, we will have like this one. Okay, that's how we got the lambda value. Okay, if you observe that, that's how we just finding the lambda by using this one. Okay, just we need to just squaring on both sides or taking magnitude on both sides. Okay, this here we got the lambda is equal to 4 plus or minus 4, since b bar minus 2c bar is equal to plus or minus 4a, which is coming from this like this one. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, this one b bar minus 2c bar, which is plus or minus, where plus or minus just substituting in place of this one. Now dot with c bar, we need to do the dot product with the a dot c bar, which makes us like we need to just find this one. Okay, which is this one. Just see, in order to do the dot with c bar, just making a dot product on c with c on both sides. Okay, after doing that, we have like simplify this one is equal to plus or minus a dot c, and taking that for this side we will have like mod like magnitude of a's dot product of this one will be equal to 1. Okay, that's how we got the 1 is the answer. Okay, now based on the probability question, we have bag A contains 9 white balls. Okay, I will just show the thing. I have just showed which 8 black balls. Okay, bag A contains 9 white balls, 8 black balls, and while bag B contains 6 white balls and 4 black balls. Okay, one ball is randomly picked up from the bag B and mixed up with the balls in the bag A. Okay, then A ball is randomly drawn from the bag A. Okay, then A ball means a ball is randomly drawn from the bag A. If the probability that the ball is drawn is white is p by q, and the GCD is p by q of is 1, then what is the value of p plus q? Okay, they are saying that I will just show the diagram. Okay, we have the situation which is in the bag B. In the bag itself A, we have like sometimes like 9 white balls. If a ball is picked, it may have like 10 white balls and 8 white balls. First we just see here bag B, we have like 6 white balls, okay, and 4 black balls. Okay, now one ball is randomly picked from the bag B. Okay, if it is picked from the bag B, we can have like in bag A we will have 10 white and 8 B, which make it like white balls as 10 by 18 probability, and for if we just have like 2 by 5 probability for bag B, then we have 9 white balls, 9 black balls when it is picked with the white balls as 9 by 18. Okay, now then a ball is randomly drawn from the bag A is what? Okay, we need to find that one, which is probability of drawn ball is white is from this we have 3 by 5. Okay, from the black ball back, and from this, okay, this one. Okay, these are the for first case, and similarly adding another case we have 2 by 5 plus 9 by 18. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is out of like 5 out of this 3 by 5, and this one will be like 18 out of 18 10 white balls, out of 18 9 white balls. Okay, like out of like one ball is picked, no, from like white balls. Okay, from one ball is picked, therefore we have like 3 balls is, or 3 black balls will be there. Okay, out of 5 white balls we have like 3 by 5. Okay, similarly for this as well. Okay, I hope you understood. That's how we got the p by q is 8 by 15, which is nothing but GCD is 1, therefore 15 by 15 8 is nothing but 23 is our answer. Okay, I hope you understood. Now that's how we got the p value. Just you need to understand what is happening here. Okay, next thing we have on the application of integrals. This is we need to find the region of this condition, which is the given square and a circle and the another one circle. We need to find, if we observe that this are enclosed with that like intersected with this one. Okay, this is the one. Okay, first circle, and this is the one circle. Okay, this is the one. We have like radius is 2 and the radius is 2 here itself same, but here center is 1, like here we have like 0 comma minus 2. Okay, here, and similarly we have like this is 0 comma 0 1. This is the center of this circle. Okay, I hope you understood what is happening here. Okay, now we need to see here area of the region is nothing but this whole thing. Just we need to find this one. Just see, if we observe that this one we have a is equal to 2 of like 0 to 3 by 2. Okay, 0 to from 0 to 3 by 2 we have root 3 by 2, like root 3, sorry, root from up to 0 to root 3 we are checking for this circle. Therefore first this circle will becomes first. Okay, which is under root of 4 minus x square. Okay, after that this circle will become. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, next thing, just further classifications. What we have here. Okay, further classifications will lead this one. Okay, now doing the another process, which is just simplification leads to this one. Next thing, this one we have this which is further simplification, which is integration we have already know, which is a square under root of like this one. Okay, and this one is separate. Okay, after that we just have some simplifications by substituting the limits, we got this answer. Okay, this is easy for you to you need to just find the region, what is the region of us. Okay, and find the limits of this thing. Okay, it is 0 to root 3. Okay, I hope you understood. Now in the second one, question, and we have based on that least value, we need to find the least value of this condition, since we need to just convert this one. Okay, we need, in order to find this one, just we have to simplify that one, which is we have like cos square theta and the 3 sin square theta. Just we know, like we can write it as, okay, 1 plus cos 2 theta, which is this can be written as this one, and 3 sin 2 theta, and this can be written as well 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, plus 2. Okay, now just simplification leads to what? 4 minus 3 sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. Okay, therefore now we need to check for least value of theta, which is f of theta will be belongs to this. Okay, I hope you understood this what values of this one. Okay, I hope you understood. Therefore if we check the interval, this f theta of like we need to find the least value, no? Therefore this will be our least value and this will be our maximum value. Okay, I hope you understood this. This will be like for theta value you are checking. Okay, I hope you understood. By checking the critical points, you can easily find the maximum and minimum values of this one. Just in order to find the critical point, just you have to differentiate that one. Okay, okay, now next we have like indefinite integrals, which is using the substitution method. Okay, here we have just see, here we can easily see that what is the question they are asked. Okay, and I of 0 and I of 1 by 2 they are given. Okay, we need to check. After doing that, we have to find the a and b, c. Okay, now here we have like we just substitute this in place of 4x plus 6 as 1 by t. After doing that, we have like x as can be substituted in place of this one. Okay, we will get the dt by 1 minus dt by t square, which is this one. Okay, now this one will be just after doing that one, we will just substitute those values in place of that whatever we have integration. Okay, this is the time. Okay, next after doing some simplifications, see here we have like this one, which is 4t square into 1 by t. Okay, after like 4 into 1 by 2, just substituting from the here. Okay, and also here see here x plus 1 is equal to 1 by t minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, you have to see that it as well. Okay, here just we are taking that x plus 1 is as 1 by t minus 2. Okay, then divided by 4, just we are substituted in place of this one. Okay, and minus 1. Okay, just taken from the here. Okay, I hope you understood. Now next thing we have like further it will be like we know which is classified from this here onwards, we can easily solve. Okay, we can easily differentiate this one, sorry, integrate this one. Okay, for c we need to just use this condition. Okay, in order to find that one. Okay, and since t is equal to 1 by 4x plus 6, just substitute that one in the place of that one. Okay, and also we got the finally this one. Okay, after doing the substitution of that one, I of 0 we can get the c as 20. Okay, we got the c as 20. Therefore we just substitute, we got the equation of 12, like integration of I of x. Now we just use the condition what they given and compare with that thing. Okay, after comparing with that thing, we can easily find what is a b, c, 3, 8 and 20. Okay, which is 31 is our answer. Okay, now Come to the next question, we have the base of permutations and combinations. Okay, stars and bars. Okay, if you see here the number of ways in which 16 oranges, which is nothing but like an integral type of question, they have like 16 oranges as distributed 4 children. Okay, like x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, such that child gets at least 1 orange. Okay, greater than or equal to 1. Okay, I will show this here. See here, we have like oranges are identical. That means that we have like integral which is which is values of integer values of x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 16 now, and x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma x4 is greater than or equal to 1 now. And also which we can also write it as simply, if since we have like 16, we can have like 4 values. Okay, we can take like, since greater than or equal to 1, in order to make it like simple one, we just make it like a condition x1 plus x2 dash plus x3 plus x4 which is equals to 12. Okay, we can make it as easy for us to do. Okay, after that we can easily find that as 12 plus, okay, 3, we have like 12 plus 3 for up to C3. Okay, like 15 C3 we have, total 455 is our answer. Okay, see here just we have to 16, out of 16 we just since it is greater than or equal to 1, for just make it as like -4. Okay, I hope you understood. We take it as a -4, that will be 12. Now 12 plus 3, like some we have the number of ways in which 16 oranges, 4 children. Okay, we are taking up one way. Okay, that's how we got the 455 is our answer. Okay, next thing we have in the relations and functions, we are using the equivalence relations. Okay, now if we observe that a is equal to this one, okay, we have a relation on a defined by x comma y if and only if x comma y is a multiple of 3. Okay, now given below are 2 statements. Okay, statement 1 is number of relations is equal to 36. Okay, number of relations, which is number of elements in relations, is 36, and R is the equivalence relation. Okay, we need to find whether R is a equivalence relation, is satisfied or not, or whether R has 36 elements or not. Okay, we need to check. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct options. Okay, now see here, we have 3. Why we are taking 3k? Because we just taking that like multiple of 3, no? Okay, for that reason we are checking for 3k, and also for the next process 3k plus 1 as equal to 3, because from this situation from A, okay, we are selecting the elements. Okay, if and only if it has to be satisfied the x minus y. Okay, for that reason we are taking that one. Okay, 4 and 3. Okay, we just got the 3k is equal to 4. Okay, we just dividing with the multiple of 3 and also dividing with the multiple of 3 and this one. Okay, now we got like 4 times like 4. Okay, how many elements we have like this type of situation for x minus 1, 4 from this one 3k type. Okay, and 3k plus 1 type as 3 ways, which is 3 into 3, and similarly for the 3k plus 2, which is 3 times 3. Okay, therefore total relations is 34. Okay, therefore we got the total relations is 34. Now x related to y, and if I know, that means that y related to x. Okay, that means that x minus y is equal to 3 lambda, which means that multiple of 3, and y minus z is equal to 3 mu. We are just assuming it one. Okay, which is this one and this one. This means that x related to y, we are checking the equivalence relations here. Okay, x minus y, y minus z, and x minus z. Okay, by using that these 2 terms, we are just taking the equivalence whether it is equal or not, which means that it has satisfied. Now if R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, S2 is true. Okay, but if we observe that we didn't get in 36, we only got 34. Okay, therefore S1 is false, S2 is true. Okay, therefore both statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct option. Okay, that's how just we say first one we just found the how many relations do we have in this which what we have set. Okay, and but when it comes to the equivalence relation, we got it as just use this property. Okay, if x is related to y, automatically y is related to x. Okay, by that we can easily solve that x minus y by using this one. Okay, 3 lambda, adding those one we will have x minus z as well, so 3 lambda plus u. Okay, therefore by that way we can easily say it satisfies the equivalence relations. Okay, next question we have on the complex numbers by using De Moivre's theorem. If you observe that they're given already z. Okay, now we need to find the z power 201 minus iota and power 8. Okay, if we just use your Euler's, we can easily find this one, which is cos pi by 6. Okay, sorry, here itself we can easily see that root 3 by 2, which is cos pi by 6, and 1 by 2 sin pi by 6. Okay, now using that one, just make it like 201 pi by 6. Okay, just using the 201. Okay, that using that we can just convert that into, make it like equal to minus 1, gives us equal to minus iota. Therefore we have that, making that equal to minus iota this side, making as power 8, gives us minus 2 power, like minus 2 iota power 8. Okay, which makes equals us 256. Okay, how is it as came? Because okay, if first thing we did that z equal to cos pi by 6 plus iota sin pi by 6. Okay, by using the De Moivre's, okay, power like 201, like this situation. Okay, now by using the De Moivre's, we just take it at this side. Okay, like cos of 201 pi by 6 plus chi sin of 201 pi by 6. Okay, now by seeing this one, we got the z power 201 as what? Iota, minus iota. Okay, now minus iota is minus iota power 8. Okay, therefore 2 iota minus 2 iota power 8, that's how got the 256. Okay, I hope you understood. Now next thing on the basis of mean and variance, okay, grouped data, which is if the mean and the variance of this data we have like continuous frequency data. Okay, they given continuous frequency data, which is means we have class intervals here. Okay, for that reason we have said it is a grouped data. Okay, we need to find the mean, we all the mu. Okay, and the given variance as 19. Okay, if we find the mean of this data, we can easily find the lambda plus mu. Okay, see here, by which we know which is mean can be written as in the continuous frequency data lambda sigma of fi xi but divided by sigma fi. Okay, since first we need to draw the table which is from this one. Okay, we can easily find fi, this one f we can consider as fi. Okay, this can be written as fi and this can be written as this has to be like we have to take the difference of it one, like average of those two. Okay, in order to find the xi. Okay, after that just add those things and take the summation of it. Okay, similarly for this value, that's how we can easily find the mu. Okay, we just find the this type of situation, since we need to find the lambda and mu as well. Okay, now we need to move to the variance. Okay, by using the variance we can easily find the mu value. Okay, since variance already given as 19, just substitute those values here, and also lambda here we have as lambda plus 14. Now lambda will be 6. Okay, and mu is equal to 10 plus, which is nothing but 13. Okay, just substituting the sigma in place of 19 here. Okay, we can easily find and mu value. Okay, I hope you understood. That's how we got the lambda plus mu is equal to 19. Okay, which is 6 and 13. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, so first you need to find this form expression here from the table you need to do, and variance formula. Okay, that's how we got the 19 is the answer. Okay, next thing in the case of parabola, parametric conditions and the distance, if an equilateral triangle, okay, whose OAB is inscribed in the parabola. Okay, like this type, I will just inscribe in the parabola with the vertex O, like this situation. Okay, like this situation will come. Okay, now at the vertex of the parabola, then the minimum distance of the circle having AB as a diameter from the origin, circle having the diameter at the origin. If you see here, this type of situation we have. Okay, now circle having the minimum distance of circle having AB. Okay, circle having AB as a diameter from the origin. Okay, now just using the parametric equations, we can easily solve this one, which is by using the slope of OA. Okay, which is this one, slope of OA, we gives 2 by t. Okay, now divide 2 by t is equal to, by using that we know slope is equal to tan theta, but by using the here we have tan, we will have 30 degrees. Okay, which will be 2 by t is equal to tan 30 degrees. Now t will be equal to 2 root 3. Okay, that's how we got the t value. Just substitute t value and a value from this parabola equation, we can easily find the points of the required circle. Okay, which is the center, we have this one. Okay, that's how we got the x minus 12 whole square plus y square is equal to 4 radius as this one. Okay, now least distance, we need to find the least distance from this one, which is, they asked about the minimum distance of the circle having AB, which is CP minus R. Okay, from this we have like we need to find the CP minus, which is center, what are the circle we have. Okay, which is radius minus, which is 2. Okay, I hope you understood what I am doing. Okay, 2 minus 4 root 3 mod, which is gives us 4 into 3 this one. Option 1 is our correct answer. Okay, just here we just need to understand the diagram, what is happening here. Okay, now we will move to the 20th question, which is based on the sequence and series, which is can be done by using this one. An is equal to Sn minus 1. Okay, now we by using this one we can easily just do the Sn term, this one, and Sn minus 1. Okay, now by using now A10 is equal to 59 from which is given in the question, just substitute. Okay, 8 what we have, like A10 is here. Okay, just substitute those values, we will get like equate with 59. Okay, we will get the equation 1 and equation 2. Solving both, we will get the alpha and beta. Okay, just you need to use this one but in this question you just have to remember this one, which is this one. This is the main thing you need to understand. Okay, I hope you understand. Just after doing that, we will have like alpha and beta, which is nothing but alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 2. That's how we got the alpha and beta, which is summing of it, which gives 5. Okay, now move to the next question, which is section B. We have differential equation, which is based on that. Okay, now we need to just convert it into normal differential equation. Okay, just convert into normal differential equation. If we observe that after converting, we will have like this type of situation. Okay, which is u by v form. Okay, if we just do the simplification, you can easily observe that we have the y by x square minus 4. Now integrating on both sides, it is easy for us to see what we have. Y is equal to x minus x square plus c into x square minus c 4. Okay, now we need to find the c value. Okay, and also they said this passes through point 3 comma 15. That means that they given y and x values. Okay, which means that we can easily find the 12. Okay, after finding 12, we got the equation. Now we need to find the maximum value of the function, this one. But for that reason, we just differentiate that one with equating to 0 in order to find the critical point. Okay, which is nothing but local maximum of f. Okay, which is they given this one. Okay, that's how we got the x equal to 2 root 2. Okay, now which we need to find the local maximum, which means we just use the like y dash. Okay, which is 2 root 2 whole square minus 4 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 whole square plus 12. Okay, which gives us local maximum as 16. Okay, here itself we got the x 2 root 2. Okay, that's how we just like substitute those values in place of this one. Okay, in order to find the local maximum. Okay, we got the 16 is the answer. Okay, that's how we solve it. Next, we have on the three-dimensional geometry, which is image of a point in line. If the image of the point given, which is a comma 2 comma a in the line, x by 2 in this one, just we know when we have like find this one, we just use it equal to lambda in order to find the direction ratio of that. And also, and here they are given this image of point P in the line is Q, and the image of Q in the line is P. Okay, you have to see this. And what is the value of this A and B? Okay, we need to find this A and B in order to solve this question. See here, we have the situation, this type of situation, which is P is this one, and images will be automatically Q. Okay, and direction ratio is 2 1 1 from the given line. And in this line we don't have any we have to find the values of which is unknown values. Okay, now from this given question, we have like P is here. Okay, and the direction ratios, which is 2 mu plus 2b, we just taken as this one as mu. Okay, and this is for this we will just taken as mu, which is from this we have like this point. Okay, now using this one we'll just find the lambda value and mu value to find the like b and a values. Okay, now just move to the here, we have just calculate this one, since we know which is we have like image of points. By using the p and q we can easily solve this one. Okay, from this we will get like one equation as 3 equations, which is minus 5u minus 2b, and another one 2 mu plus 2b and mu plus a. Okay, Now coming to the next one, by solving it, we will have like this three types of situations, which is equations we have. Okay, by we can say we have like b is equal to 2a and lambda is equal to 2a, mu is equal to minus a. Okay, now we need to find like whatever we have like lambda, which is just by using this. See here, from the given line, which is p, from the p to the q is what we have. From this we have like 2 I cap plus j cap, which is from this ratio, which is 2 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, now what we have, like just substitute those values lambda a in place of this here. Okay, we can easily find whatever we have. For lambda a is equal to, we will have 2a comma 0 comma a. Okay, now after that we have, just by, since we know the foot of the perpendicular, like doing that product of those two we give equal to 0, then we can easily find the a value. Okay, now we got the a value. It means that just substituting in this, like here, we will get the answer b is 2. Okay, therefore we got the a as 1, b as 2, therefore answer will be 3. Okay, that's how we just solve this question. See here, just simple one. Just there is a lengthy one, but you have to understand is what is happening in this geometry. Okay, that's the thing. It will be answer as 3. Okay, I hope you understand. Next thing we have on the basis of the number of elements present in this set. Okay, which is this one. We need to differentiate this one in order to find the number of elements present in S. Okay, now which just do that, take the differentiation, like we can do differentiation as well, or you can use the by parts as well. Okay, either we can I can say if we do the by parts, it is easy for us to do it. Okay, now just using the by parts, we get the cos x is equal to 1. Okay, now we got the cos x is equal to 1 there, and also see here we got x is in between 0 and 100. Okay, now x is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, comma up to 30 pi. Okay, therefore total elements will be up to 16. Okay, see here how we got this thing. By trigonometric equations, we know for the how many values for cos x will be satisfied, which is like 0 for general equation we have like 0, 2 pi, 4 pi and 30 pi. Okay, up to 35 we just counting will give you the 16 elements. Okay, therefore number of elements is 16. Just you need to do the first thing, you need to do the work is that you need to do the integration of this one. Okay, it is after that you can easily solve that one. Okay, next thing we have the matrices and determinants. Okay, by using the orthogonal property. Okay, if they given A matrix and B be a such matrix which is this type of form. Okay, B of like identity minus A, this one. Okay, this gives identity plus A. Okay, we need to find the B in order to do this one. Okay, substitute. If we substitute this one, we can easily find that B1. I hope so. Like I will see here. See here, we have A transpose is equal to minus A. By using this one, with this nothing but, you already observed that it is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, by that we can easily observe that we can easily find whatever we have like A transpose can be written as like this can be written as minus of like 1 minus A. Okay, this can be written. Now similarly just we can write as transpose. Okay, like taking transpose on both sides gives us like some algebraic operations. Okay, just do these algebraic operations. We know when we have like some properties, by using the properties, this can be written as like this and this can be written as like this. Now B transpose B can be written as this one. Now this can be 1 plus A inverse, which is gives us this taking as common from this. Okay, now we will have like 1 plus 1 minus and I plus I minus of inverse. Okay, now we got the total. If we observe that this situation, now that's how we got the B transpose B as identity matrix. If we have like identity matrix, that means that the trace of like sum of diagonal elements will be 3. Okay, therefore answer will be 3 is our answer. See here, the trace of B transpose will be 3. Okay, from this we have like, just we need to do that what will iota identity plus A. This just we have like main thing is you need to understand like a skew symmetric matrix. By using the properties of this one you can solve this one. Okay, just you need to do some manipulations by using the property. Okay, now next question on the basis of permutations and combinations, which is they are saying that 4-digit numbers A, B, C, D such that we have A is up to D with this increasing order of 4-digit number, and P denote the set of 5-digit numbers. Okay, having product of these digits equal to 20. Okay, now this will be that then what is the number of elements present in S and number of elements present in P is what. Okay, and this is like 50 here, sorry for that. Okay, now then number of elements present in S and a number of elements present in P is equal to what. Okay, see here, for number of elements present in S, which is 4-digit number ABCD, such that which is greater than, this means that whatever the elements present here, we have like increasing order, and the such elements will be have how many ways? 10C4 ways. Okay, which is 210. Okay, for number of elements present in in P, which will be 5-digit number. Okay, we can have two cases, which is 5 4 3 1, which is 1 is repeating, and 2 2, which is 1 1, which is repeating. Okay, therefore we have this kind of situation, which is we already have 50 here. Okay, therefore number of elements present in P is equal to 50, and this is one from here, and this one from E, which is 3 is, since it is repeating, we have divided with 3 factorial, and it is 2 times with so further 2 factorial 2 factorial. Therefore number of elements present in, we have given as 50. Okay, number of elements present in 210 plus 50 is equal to 260. Okay, that's how we got the 260 is our answer. Okay, therefore that is the end of the question. Okay, for more videos we will let you know in the next video. Thanks for watching.